Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check saved voice messages on your iPhone. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is go to the chat messages, and it's going to look like this. So this is your voice. Now, unfortunately, you can't save it. You have to find it always in the chat. But if you want to make sure that it's never deleted, go to your settings, scroll down until you see messages. So you see messages, tap on messages, and scroll down until you see audio messages. So it says expire after 2 minutes. You want to tap on that and click on never, and basically they were never expired. If it is after 2 minutes, when you send a list on audio message, it will be automatically removed from conversation history after 2 minutes. So make sure that it's on never. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.